Bali, the island of the gods, feels like heaven resting on earth. But what you're about to see will change how you understand paradise. Floating in turquoise waters, this island has enchanted souls for centuries. Golden sunlight shines over more than 20,000 temples each day. Rice fields stretch endlessly in soft waves of green. Ocean waves speak gently to ancient volcanic rocks. This is not just a place to visit. This is a world where time slows down and something inside you shifts. Bali is small, yet it holds extraordinary beauty. Volcanoes rise above the clouds and sky. Waterfalls fall through emerald jungle paths. Beaches change color, from golden sand to black volcanic shorelines. Every step here feels quiet and meaningful. Today, we travel through Bali's hidden wonders. By the end, you will understand why Bali changes lives. Let's start the journey on an island floating in the Indian Ocean. Bali rests gently between Java and Lombok. It is one of Indonesia's many islands, yet it feels unlike any other. More than 4 million people live here, sharing land with visitors. The moment you arrive, your body begins to slow. The air carries incense and frangipani flowers. Everything feels calmer, softer, and more present. Denpasar, the capital, sits on the southern coast. Warm days stay between 26 and 30 degrees all year. Dry months bring blue skies, while rain paints the island green. Busy places exist, but quiet corners still wait. This is only the first breath of Bali's magic. Let's step deeper into the hidden soul of Bali. Bali slowly reveals its magic the longer you stay. Every morning, small flower offerings appear across the island. These offerings, called kanang sari, sit outside homes and shops. They are simple, yet they carry deep gratitude and respect. Bali holds more than 20,000 temples across its land. Unlike most of Indonesia, this island follows Hindu traditions. Once a year, the island enters complete silence on Nyepi Day. No flights, no lights, no noise, just stillness. Imagine an entire island holding its breath together. Water flows through rice fields using the ancient Subak system. This system is over 1,000 years old and still works today. These traditions are not shows, they are daily life. Next, the island's power rises from its volcanic mountains. Let's rise higher to where Bali meets the sky. Volcanic mountains shape the island's soul and skyline. Mount Agung stands tall as the island's most sacred peak. At its base, you feel small and quiet. Agung rises above the clouds, glowing at sunset. Nearby, Mount Batur offers a gentler path upward. Hikes begin in darkness, guided only by stars. At sunrise, the ocean appears below your feet. A blue crater lake shines softly in the morning light. Food cooks using natural volcanic steam. These mountains are alive and deeply respected. From their slopes, Bali's green heart flows downward. Let's move downward from the peaks into Bali's green heart. Water flows gently through ancient channels carved long ago. These channels feed the famous rice terraces of the island. They are not just farms, but living artworks. Walking here, you feel centuries of wisdom under your feet. Every curve shares water fairly and calmly. Tagalalang rice terraces ripple in endless shades of green. Jatiluwih rice terraces stretch wide across the mountains. These fields are guided by the Subak system. This system has worked through community balance for over 1,000 years. Seasons change, and the terraces transform with them. From misty water to golden harvest, beauty never fades. Let's follow the coast where Bali meets the sea. Bali offers every kind of beach you can imagine. Golden sands roll with strong surf waves in Kuta Beach. Here, energy feels high as surfers chase sunsets. For calm moments, Sanur greets the day with soft sunrise light. Further south, Seminyak blends style and relaxation. Cliffside paths lead to hidden coves near Uluwatu. Padang Beach rests quietly between towering cliffs. In the north, Lovina Beach surprises with black volcanic sand. At dawn, dolphins glide through gentle waters. Each shore carries its own rhythm and mood. Look deeper, and Bali always reveals one more beach. Let's dive below the surface of Bali. Bali sits inside the coral triangle, rich with life. Under the waves, a hidden world quietly thrives. As you descend, sound fades and silence takes over. Color surrounds you, slow and endless. These waters hold hundreds of coral species. They shelter thousands of tropical fish. Near Nusa giants glide with calm grace. At Manta Point, manta rays gather to be cleaned. Swimming beside them feels like floating through a dream. Further east, Ahmed hides a silent story. The USAT Liberty shipwreck rests beneath the sea. History and nature breathe together here. Next, we travel inland to Bali's cultural heart. Let's step into Ubud, the quiet heart of Bali. Surrounded by rice fields, this town breathes art and spirit. Life slows here, inviting you to look and feel. Incense drifts past small temples and open studios. Since the 1930s, artists shaped Ubud's creative soul. The sacred monkey forest shelters ancient temples and playful life. At Pura Tirta Empul, water cleanses body and mind. You join locals, moving gently through sacred springs. At sunrise, the Kampuhan Ridge Walk floats in mist. For quiet moments, earth and sky feel perfectly balanced. Hidden paths still protect old Ubud from noise. Here, Bali's soul continues to breathe and grow. Let's step closer to the sacred temples of Bali. Bali holds over 20,000 temples across land and water. These are not just buildings, but living places of prayer. Some temples rise above crashing ocean cliffs. Others appear to float quietly on still mountain lakes. At Pura Luhur Uluwatu, the sea stretches endlessly below. Built centuries ago, it guards the island from the edge of the world. Tanah Lot stands on rock, shaped by tides and time. At sunrise, it feels calm and deeply personal. Pura Ulun Danu Bratan reflects softly on mountain water. Ceremonies happen daily, filled with music and offerings. Visitors dress with respect, honoring sacred rules. These temples protect Bali's spirit and balance. Next, we sail beyond the coast to hidden island worlds. Let's sail outward from Bali to the wild Nusa Islands. Nusa Penida rises sharply from the open sea. The land here feels raw, dramatic, and untamed. At Kelingking Beach, cliffs curve like a giant dinosaur. Looking down, the ocean feels endless and powerful. Angel's Billabong holds clear water like a natural mirror. Nearby, Broken Beach opens the sea into a perfect circle. Reaching the shore takes effort, sweat, and patience. Every step down is rewarded by pure beauty. Across the water, Nusa Lembongan feels calm and gentle. Mangroves and bicycles replace cliffs and chaos. Back on land, hidden gems still wait quietly. Pararenan offers cool energy without crowds. Batuan Village keeps ancient stories alive in paint. At Batabulan Village, stone becomes sacred art. Bali is not just an island, it is a feeling that stays with you. Ancient wisdom lives beside modern life here. We came to see views but found meaning. Bali teaches you how to see beauty. It teaches you how to feel balance. Nature, people, and spirit move as one. Temples, fields, and waves speak softly together. The smiles you meet feel real and warm. Now you know, if heaven had a place, Bali would be the answer. Whether you seek adventure on volcanic peaks or peace in hidden waterfalls, whether you feel drawn to ancient temples or soft ocean shores, Bali welcomes you with open arms. Let Ubud's mist clear your busy mind. Let Uluwatu's waves wash away heavy thoughts. Let Mount Batur's silence fill you with quiet wonder. This island does not just give memories, it renews something deeper inside you. If this journey moved you, subscribe and travel with us. We explore the world through stories and feeling. Now tell us, which part of Bali calls you? The island of the gods will stay with you forever.